Divine Properties Limited office. And our office there for number 181 Odili Road, opposite Chicken Republic. And I just came into the office and I want you to follow me into the office. You know why they happy like this? You will not understand. The reason is because New Banana Highland na 7 million naira for one plot. And if you buy one plot last year, even last month, May, you for buy it for 6 million. But right now, it's 7 million naira per plot. Just follow me to the office. Make I show you our office. Let's go. Yes, so come, let me show you. New Banana Highland, 7 million naira per plot. Let's go. Yes, so if you come our office, you will just come here, jejely. And when you come here, just climb up the first door by your left. Our office is that. Baby, they go. Yes, so New Banana Highland in Port-Harcourt, River State, Nigeria. We do rich. Now, Mercy Divine Properties Limited office with this. And if you check, now they do with this. When you reach here, you can just come here, then knock. And then we go answer you. Come back with a go. Yes, so follow me, make I show you. Yeah, this is Mercy Divine Properties Limited office. When you come into our office, and then we will take you for inspection. As I'm speaking with you, the driver has taken some batch of people to inspection this morning, and we are about to leave with the second batch in few minutes from now. So once you come, we will attend to you. You will go for inspection, and you make your choice of plot. And when you are done, you make your payment of 7 million naira per plot of New Banana Highland. And in 2 weeks' time, you will get your document, and you will have peace of mind, and you will be happy. So it could make you just contact you. And the person to contact is no other person but Madam Peppy, aka Mama Good News. And the number to always call is 0903429651. Come collect your plot. Now 7 million naira. No wait, make I tell you say na 10 million, because na the next price that you will hear with that. Then you quickly and sharply call me. I will wait for you.